welcome back. So right now, today, we are going to do a little try this palette look with the new Aina palette from ABH. I'm moving a little bit slow today. I got it in the mail. I didn't even open it up and look at it. But you know me. You know me. Well, I don't think it wants to come out. What's up with that? I'm gonna have to rip it. Rip it. Rip it good. Do. Damn. It is like in here. It's in here. It's like it's taped in here. Ridiculous. It's ridiculous, I tell you. Wow. That thing was really in there. So this is what it looks like on the outside. And this is the beauty on the inside. There went the brush. We'll pick that up. Some pinks and golds. There's even a wonderful green in here. And, wow, purples. It's just got everything. So we are going to have a good time with this. And then, let's see what kind of look we come up with. So I have all my other makeup on my face. And today is going to be just about playing in this thing. I feel like I want to do a look with the purples. Not really a purple person, but I really want to try it out. See how it does. Ooh, pigmented. Ooh. Yeah, so it's pretty pigmented. It is blending out pretty good on my eyes. Not patchy or anything. Not a lot of kick up on the pan, but I am trying to be gentle. Ever since the Subculture palette came out, I'm like, just be gentle. It's kind of scarred me. Yes. It's kind of rigging me out. Alright, we're going to go do the other eye. I get a better idea from my left eye how it performs because it doesn't. I work harder at my right eye. I don't know why. But it's just the way it is. So first I'm pressing it in, then I'm kind of doing circular windshield wiper moves. All right. Man, you could go wild on this purple. The matte shade, because it seems like it's going to blend away, which makes me think it's not going to stick to my eyes that long. That was called a Big Wig. This purple right here, that's a shimmer, is called Shockington. Wow. You know, sometimes I should not be so close-minded about things. Alright. So, since it's such a bold eye, like, I really think that we should put some lashes on. I don't want to, but I think we should. We'll have to convince ourselves it's the right thing to do. Because right now I have crappy eyelash glue. And I don't want to be recovering from pulling glue out of my eyelashes for 2 weeks just for one video. So it's gonna have to really knead it. It's gonna need it. Okay. So there's let's see what happens when we put the stuff under our eye. Put that big wig under our eye. Alright. Now, I'm not sure about purple. I'm gonna put this shade right here. It's called Trust Issues in my inner corner. Just kind of see what we think about that. What we think about that. Just to lighten this up a little bit. Actually, I'm going to carry that into my eye because I don't want it to be so purpley. See, that looks better. Just right over top, first in the corner, and then right over top. Yes. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay. So let's just put some regular mascara on. I'm going to use this Unique, the Moonstruck Epic mascara that I got from my girlfriend Liz Bela. I'll be so glad when my lashes grow back to where they were. Pre-extension time. Don't get extensions on your lashes. It's not a good idea. All right. I'm going to put a Kat Von D lip on that's almost the color of my eyes. I know I have it in here because I just saw it. I just seen you the other day. And this is, I don't know. I can't see. You guys know that. All right, so once I put that shade like on the inside to make it some greenish, sparkly, goldish, it's like a, it flips shades. You know what I'm talking about. I like it a lot more. So tell me what you guys think. I love you guys so much. I will see you next time. Mwah.